Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Postmark'd Studios subscription box. This is one I really love. If you like to write cards and you like to send cards, this is definitely an option for you. Each box is $25. There is a $5 shipping fee, so it's $30. They're all different cards from different letterpresses. The boxes are themed though. I'm sorry. Remember the other day when we were making videos? When you see this, it'll be a few days prior. I was like, I think I'm coming down with something. I am ill. I do not feel well, and now I'm hot, and I don't feel so good. I have like a cold. My son was running really high fevers. I never run fevers, but I don't feel so good, so bear with me. But this is really well put together. The themes are always wonderful. The August, hey, I don't need you to bite me. I'll give you some attention without that. The August box was celestial theme. The month before that was ice cream. It's just, they're really cool. So you open it up, and it's a small box, and good things come in small packages. You have your little info card. All hail the snail. It's like a little, hey, thanks. And I'm sorry for sniffling. Alright. I heart that you are keeping the awe and joy of snail mail alive and well. And the curator. The colors are blue, gray. It's very minimalist. Love it. Love. Alright, snails and stamps. Postmark'd edition 2.3. So on this card, they list each of the letterpresses they included, all the items that are included in this box. And then the back has things that fit into the theme or are relative to the time, consequentially. Thinking of You Week is September 24th through the 30th. Create a wave of happiness by sending a card. Send a card, deliver a smile. So there's like a 7-day challenge. Challenge accepted. So maybe we'll do that. But look at this packaging. Can we just talk about how cute that is? Is this so cute? One of you guys was like, can we do camera angles where we look in the box? I'm trying, guys. I'm really putting my thoughts into setting up a different kind of a setup, but I don't know yet. Alright, so every box comes with a Postmark'd Studio pencil, and then all of our cards are just like this. How darn cute is this? And they're wrapped up in ribbon. And then I usually, when I take my pictures, I use the ribbon for the pictures because it's just so pretty. Alright, so there's some paper that fell out here. I guess they explain how to use something. Alright, so we're just going to go right into the postcards, or the cards. And then so in the box is 4 cards, 1 postcard, postage, and then an artsy doodad, okay? So right here we have a die cut card, Sending Good Vibes. It's shaped like a paper airplane. And this is from a letterpress called Dear Alchemy. And then on the back is a little airplane. Isn't that cute? And if you want to know more about each of the companies, I will, down below, I'll link all my, the review to I'll link to my blog where you can check out the review. And then I go in depth and we talk about the letterpress and all that stuff. So right here we have I Heart Snail Mail. And then is that a real, it looks like ephemera. So this is from Appalachia Press, which is very cool. I live near Appalachia. Have to say, I'm kind of fond of it. Alright, so there's that. Oh, I love this one. This is Hello Friend. And it's a little snail on a mushroom. This is from Molly Hatch, or Big Wheel Pressed Artist Cards. Interesting. They do a really good job, too, of explaining where each of them comes from, the cards, and, about the people. Why did they start, making cards? What was their inspiration? I really like that. I think it's cool. My love language is snail mail. Oh, my gosh, this is so true. I love mail. I love mail. I love mail. All right. This is designed by Stephanie Ford for Paper Bandit Press, and I feel like I've heard of them before, and if not, I like that name, right? Okay. This is the insert. It's just a little, play postcard. And then we have postcards, package of 10 4x6 cards from Ginger P Designs. Love a good mail day. And they're just on the back. Aren't they pretty? They're, very, elegant, but also a little bit whimsical, which is really cute. And then here we have, this tells you how to use this item here, I think. Wait, hold on. What's going on here? What's going on, Ashley? I don't know. my little squigglers got stuck on it. So I don't really know how I'm supposed to use this item here, but I think that this is explaining it. Basically, it's like a tape roller. Set, slide, cut. Set, slide, cut. Maybe it's for washi tape. Like a washi tape dispenser. Oh, here it is. Oh, look, it is. This is masking tape. MTX. Kamoy paper washi adhesive tape. So it is washi. I love washi tape. You guys know how I used to use that. So here it is. This is a wide roll. I've never seen a roll this wide. It's usually very thin. So you're going to put it on here just like you would like another tape roller or dispenser. So that's really cool. Ooh, I like that. All right, finally we have this adorable little tin. Ooh, with our, okay, so here it is. This is a stamp holder. It's a little tin with like little stamps on it and like this fun sort of barber shop. And then inside is our stamps for the month. How cool is that? So that is everything that I received in my Postmark'd studio for September. This box is phenomenal. If you write letters, keep in touch with people, it's one that you'll probably want to check out because it's pretty darn amazing. I will link down below to Postmark'd Studio with my affiliate link. I will also link to my blog. I will also link to a million other things that I can link to. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.